When I dey small, we get this group of children where we dey always dey play. Then e come get this particular boy. That boy senior us with 3 years, especially me. He senior me with like 3 years. So most times I dey notice say this boy dey always dey beat us. If he beat you, he go kick you, he go knack you. As him beat you, knack you, he go carry you, he go run enter house. So I dey notice am most times wey be say if you dey play, another pikin beat you, you go meet your parent go say, go beat your own back. But once you cry go house, go tell your parents say na that boy na him beat you. I dey notice am say parents no dey always dey tell us say go beat the boy back. Instead, they go match us to the boy house. But I come notice say if they dey match us dey go the boy house, especially the mother of that boy, e go stand for door. E go begin as if na just dey come like this. No, your mama sef fit dey shout, dey come, dey follow you, dey go. The boy mama sef go begin dey shout for door. She was always ready to fight. "Henna comot for my house. Make una get out from here. My pikin no touch your pikin. My boy no beat your boy." Na me be the pikin wey play with the boy. Na me know whether the boy beat me. The woman no go give you chance to talk. This woman dey support every bad thing wey this boy dey do. At times, boy go enter their neighbor house, thief. If the neighbor wan talk, he go say no be the boy. This woman dey defend this boy. The boy don grow up now, and I know the story. Now, I no dey talk about that boy now. Wetin I dey try talk here be say most parents wey dey defend pikin wey dey do bad thing, that pikin go grow up to be a thorn on your flesh. He go grow up to do something wey dey bigger, wey be say you no go fit control. Why I dey talk this thing? You know the story of that boy wey kpai him girlfriend. So now, you no run mental kolo, you comot the girl kpekus. You comot every part wey you need to comot. You come go hide. Now, hand don gbam am. They don hold am now. Him papa, the defensive papa, wey be say I know say he dey among the people wey don dey do this kind of defend thing from small. And the parents wey dey do this kind thing. So now, the papa come talk say the boy dey run mental kolo. They say if they carry another person dead body dey pass, e go be like say they carry firewood. Father wey be say if this kind thing happen to am, say na him pikin na dey kpai like this, he no go take am lightly. When you suppose leave the boy, make him go face wetin him do. You dey try defend am say he get mental kolo. Karma no dey sleep. Karma na very fast thing. If you dey among parents wey be say you dey defend your pikin, if you do bad thing, you go dey defend am. You better, the earlier the better. You know this thing wey I dey talk now, they go say the earlier the better. Let your pikin know say this thing wey him dey do na bad thing. Make you no grow up with the character, the attitude of, the belief of say you go always dey there for am. You go always defend am when him do bad thing. No let your pikin know say you go always defend am when him do bad thing.